A psychological anomaly is currently spreading through the headquarters of global innovation. Silicon Valley, the epicenter of secular and rational tech development, is suddenly obsessed with the end of the world. Tech CEOs and leading AI engineers are quietly purchasing remote land and outfitting billion-dollar underground survival facilities designed to withstand a total societal collapse. Most of these individuals identify as atheists or agnostics. Their behavior is an empirical response to raw data. The sharpest analytical minds in the industry are confirming a systemic threat to our civilization, validating an underlying anxiety that has moved from fringe theory to corporate reality. The primary metric driving this panic is the developmental curve of artificial general intelligence. We are moving toward a system that even its creators are no longer certain they can control. This AGI trajectory is converging with physical world stressors, the breakdown of global supply chains, and the rapid proliferation of autonomous killing machines. A society that optimizes for pure efficiency while discarding its moral framework eventually triggers a cascading failure. The system reaches a point where it can no longer sustain its own complexity. When systems engineers looked for historical models of this specific type of failure, societies that collapsed while attempting absolute optimization, they found a first-century text that mapped our current trajectory with mathematical precision. The data suggests our civilization's operating system is critically flawed. To understand the coming crash, we have to examine the historical blueprint that predicted the current survival vacuum. That document is the Book of Revelation. There is a valid question here. Why should a rational observer in 2026 care about a text written 2 millennia ago? This text serves as a precise architectural warning. It documents the exact sequence of events that unfold when a civilization attempts absolute control after deleting its moral source code. Seen through this lens, the book is a highly accurate diagnostic report of our current civilization's structural integrity. Every complex truth requires a user interface, a way to format information so the intended audience can actually process it. 2,000 years ago, the message utilized an agrarian UI. It used the language of seeds and harvests to communicate with a farming society. Metaphors about shepherds and flocks were the standard communication protocols of that era, making deep concepts accessible to the average person. The 21st century mind operates on a different interface. We process reality through algorithms, data centers, and cybersecurity protocols. Translating ancient prophecy into IT terminology is a historically rigorous necessity. We are making these truths legible to a generation that thinks in code. From this point forward, we are moving away from the pulpit and into the audit room. We will be mapping ancient warnings directly onto the development of digital currencies, autonomous weapons, and global surveillance networks. The upcoming analysis is rigorous and requires sustained focus to track the data points. We are running a live threat analysis against the systems governing our world today. The internet is currently full of contradictory doomsday theories. This series is built on a commitment to analytical transparency. Our framework uses partial preterism, which identifies several prophecies as critiques already fulfilled by historical empires. We combine this with historical premillennialism, the belief in a literal, future physical restoration of the Earth. These are the fixed parameters for our entire analysis. We are declaring them now so there are no hidden agendas in the data. You are encouraged to perform your own code review on these findings. Let's execute Episode 1.